I opened Emma's cage up about 5 minutes ago, and she is literally waiting over there, I think, for me to go and pick her up, because she uses me as like a taxi service, I think, to get to other areas of the room. Sometimes, pretty sure she wants me to pick her up. Can I come sit on my hand? Do you? Nope. There's one foot. And there's the other. Okay. Don't you look amazing today? She's always so clean. It's because she only poos in one very small section of her cage that she never goes to. Okay, babe. Do you wanna? So there we go. So you're looking forward to Christmas? She's never had a Christmas before. Only 5. Nearly 6 months old. You're nearly half a year old now. Might have to do something to celebrate when it turns time. Should know your gender by then as well. Hopefully. I love when she does these little beak flaps. She's really so adorable to have around. Hope you're having a lovely day.